Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the St. Patrick's Day Tablescape Collab, hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Antoinette Decorating, Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and Julie the Thrifty Designer. Links to their channels will be in my description box below. So I'm going to come back in with my topiaries here, and these are boxwood browns. I have 3 of those. One got a little bit flattened, but I still think that one is okay. Next, I have these Dollar Tree gold chargers that I'm gonna lay down, and then I'm gonna come back in with these thrifted green plates, dinner plates. And because I want this tablescape to have a little bit of that granny chic look, I'm going to come in with these lace doilies. I think I like them a little better under the plate. Next, I'm going to come in with these little green bowls, and these were also a thrift find. I think I'd like a little bit more green, so I may put the dinner napkin under the plate. What I have here are some green dinner napkins, and I'm just going to take our dinner napkin and fold them the long way. And then I'm going to lay it and tuck it right underneath our plate. And then set our bowl on top. And I think that added just a little bit more green to our plate. Next, I have my beautiful green decanter. I'm going to sit the decanter here on the table as well. I'm going to come in next with these beautiful marble coasters that I purchased some time ago. I believe I got them at Home Goods. And for our glassware, of course, it is St. Patty's Day, so I'm going to come in with these green glasses that was a thrift find. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. Please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love, as well as all the other participants in this collab today. And if you saw what happened in the comments section, right, I saw it. Thank you so much for watching.